Audi A5 and similar cabin filter replacement. It's on the passenger side. Move the seat all the way back for easy access. And it's located underneath the dash. Kind of like a two screws. This is the first one, the corner is the second one, so you have to remove those. Just be careful, they're all plastic. And then you have to remove this foamy guard, just like so. And then you will get an access to this plastic cover. So you have to push on it to the kind of like a front of the car. To remove it, now the filter comes out by itself a little bit, but you have to pull on it. It's pretty dirty, as you see. I'll show you later the detail. Well, this hasn't been changed since the car was new. It's so dirty. I'm gonna give this plastic cover a little bit of a clean as well with warm water. So I have this new filter ready to go, Mali LAK3A6 cabin filter with activated carbon. Just want to make sure that this is the right size, right product, so I compare it to original one. The proper orientation of the filter is fins positioned horizontally, and this 45-degree angle corner is facing to the top right corner. I have to line up this filter with the opening, obviously, and push it up gently. So once the filter is in position, it's time to put this cover back on. So you want to place this end, which is kind of like a handle, on the right hand side. Line up those kind of like a sliding tabs against each other and just press it in. It's very easy. Press it in there, just like so. And I believe here supposed to be a bolt holding this plastic cover against this body. I don't have any bolt in there, so I'm gonna leave it like that, and it should not move. Like, it shouldn't move by itself. And also the same thing is in here on the other side, but I didn't see any bolt there, so I'm gonna leave it like it is. Not sure if the previous owner took the bolts out, but the filter hasn't been changed for a long time, so I believe there is no such thing as a bolt, but it looks like it has a opening here and also kind of like a place for the bolt to go to. So now I'm gonna install the foamy stuff. It's a separator. I call it a separator, so it looks nice and clean. And time to install those two plastic bolts back in place. So you have to line up these holes. This is the one. You don't see the second one. Maybe you do. Right here the second one. First one. So it's lined up perfectly fine. I'm gonna install the first bolt in here. Just be careful. Like I said, it's all plastic. And the second one back in place. And we are pretty much done. The whole thing of replacing the filter took me a few minutes. I'm gonna bring the seat back into position where it was before. And hopefully this helped. So thank you for watching and good luck.